Yeah, they are, because travel tomorrow out of Logan might be just not happening at all. Take a look at the board. We have a handful of flights that are delayed right now and also another handful canceled. But if you look this way, you can see all the passengers in line here. I guarantee you about half to 3/4 of them are trying to reschedule their flights onto an earlier flight to get out of here before that snow. And if you want to change your flight, you want to act fast. It's a mad dash to the skies at Logan Airport. Those who can make it out of the clouds before a potential blizzard, they're the lucky ones.
Just really excited to escape before all the snow lands, and we're going to see my cousin, her son, while we're there, and it's hopefully going to be nicer than it is here.
With hundreds of cancellations and delays expected tomorrow, some people are spending the extra cash to get out now.
This is going to be a real nor'easter, so I want to get out as soon as possible. My flight was tomorrow. I'm planning to go today.
Then there's Jason Moore. The Phoenix native just touched down in Boston, and 30 minutes later,
I literally just landed, and I'm supposed to be leaving Wednesday, and I'm leaving today.
Cutting his work trip short, or non-existent, one that started the same way it might be ending.
I actually spent the night in Minnesota sleeping in their airport because of snow in Minnesota yesterday.
Did I mention it's his birthday?
But I am going to go and grab a pint before I go.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Oh, poor Jason. He literally broke our hearts, but hopefully he's at the bar right now. And hey, we're off the clock here in maybe an hour or so. Christine and I might just go join him for a couple of pints. But listen, in all seriousness, if you have to get out of Logan, you are urged to contact your airline today. Easiest to just come down here too and talk to somebody in person. That's the latest live from Logan Airport. Katie Thompson, WCVB News Center 5.